everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you 4 beautiful and easy border decoration ideas for school projects, assignments, notebooks and creative writing pages. All these designs are beginner friendly, colorful and very easy to draw at home. So let's start the first design. The first design is a simple leaf border. This design is very simple, neat and relaxing to draw. First, I made a soft wavy border line using green color. After that, I added leafy branches on two sides of the page. I used dark green and yellow shades inside the leaves to make them look more attractive. This border design gives a natural and calm look to the page. It is perfect for science projects, EVS work, assignments and nature-themed pages. The best part is that the design looks stylish while being very easy to make. If you want, you can also add tiny flowers, vines or butterflies for extra decoration. Now let's move on to the other design.
For this design, I created a soft floral border using flowers and leaves. I started by drawing simple flower shapes in the corner and side of the page. Then I added green leaves and colorful petals using pink, purple, orange and yellow shades. This border gives a fresh and elegant look to the paper. It is perfect for project work, greeting pages, assignment, and special notes. You don't need professional drawing skills for this design. Even simple flowers can make the page look beautiful. I also kept the center area clean and neat, so there is enough space for writing. You can use your favorite flower colors and create your own floral style. Now let's continue with the third border design.
For the third design, rainbow dot border. In this design, I create a colorful rainbow dot border. I started drawing circles and dots of different sizes around the page border. Then I filled them with rainbow colors like red, orange, yellow, green, blue, pink and purple. I used both big and small dots to make the border look fun and creative. This design is super easy and perfect for beginners. It also looks very bright and cheerful on project papers and notebooks. You can create this border using crayons, sketch pens or color pencils. This is one of the easiest ways to decorate a page beautifully without complicated drawings. let's move on to the final design.
For this border design, I started with a simple rule sheet. Then I made tiny doodle all around the border using colorful sketch and pens. I used stamped sketch pen to draw small flowers, stars, hearts, leaves, music symbols and cute random shapes. You can create any tiny doodles you like because small imperfect drawing also look very beautiful. I used different colors to make the page look bright and fun. This type of border is perfect for kids' project, holiday homework and creative notebook. The best thing about this design is that it fills the pages beautifully without taking much time. Which design did you like the most? Comment below and tell me your favorite one.